Come to the school next year.
Yeah, the mother ma'am
and the white cells catch the allergen.
Okay.
When the allergens are caught, it leads to a chemical reaction which leads to the release of an inflammatory chemical called histamine.
Okay.
Histamine causes allergic symptoms which are also known as inflammatory reaction. Now we know how an allergen occurs.
Some pollen might come on my skin. So what happens to the pollen?
It reacts to the skin.
No, with these cells, using these cells, what do you explain?
It reacts with the blood. It enters through the skin. Some particles from the pollen enter
Through the skin.
and this whole process.
So the immunoglobulin what detects that and then attaches to it.
Yeah, the immune system sees if decides if it's harmful or not, and based on that, it produces the allergen specific chemical. And now we know how an allergy occurs. But how do we know what allergen we are prone to? Let's find out. Sometimes it is obvious which allergy we are prone to. We get to know by observation. But in some cases, we have to go to an allergy doctor, allergy specialist, or a dermatologist to find out which allergy we are. They do certain tests. Example, skin prick test. In skin prick test, a small plastic or metal device is used to make punctures or pricks into the skin, usually on the underside of the arm. Sometimes it is injected intradermally through needle and syringe. Small amounts of allergens are injected into the person's skin. After 20 to 30 minutes, a small bump occurs, or in more sensitive patients, a full-blown hive or even anaphylaxis occurs. Now comes the control point. This control point is the most important part of the skin prick test. In this, sterilized water or just a normal spray is done. If a bump appears on the control point, it means that something was done wrong in the test. As sterilized water does not react with anything, and if just a normal spray was done, it would not cause a bump. Now comes the in a blood test. A small sample of the blood of the patient is extracted from his body, usually from the hand, in their homes or in the hospitals. And then the blood sample is taken to the laboratory to examine which allergy they are This is more effective than this, as this helps us to identify many allergens in one sample. Is it done? This is done as it is way more safer than the skin prick test. In the skin prick test, the allergens are put directly into our body. While in blood test, the blood sample is taken, which after analysis in the laboratory, we can know what severe allergy. So it can cause anaphylaxis. Anaphylaxis is sudden systemic allergic reaction which causes drop of blood vessels and shortness of breath, reduced constriction of bronchial
that is responsible for balancing electrolytes filtering blood and reducing urine. The components of kidney include renal continence, renal medullary incontinence.
However, this is more costlier than this, and this takes several days, while this takes only 15 to 30 minutes to show the report. Now we are going to after an allergy blood test, we would get our report. After the conference, this chart shows how the immune system reacts after a person who has been an allergy has ingested a pill. This one shows the common type of allergens which many people are prone to. So now can we have this? Which chemical is mainly responsible for itching and swelling from allergies? Correct. No, we have many. What is a serious